Crafting effective prompts can be tricky. The prompt coach agent is here to help you. It guides you through creating clear, concise, effective prompts, ensuring that you're going to get the best possible responses. Now, this can be particularly useful, especially if you're new to prompting and you're just learning how to speak to Copilot. This is going to really help. So let's take a look at how this works in practice. I'm going to go into Copilot in Teams and I'm going to click on the sidebar there. You can see I've got an agent section and I can say get Copilot agents. Now, if you don't see this, it could be it's not switched on for your organization yet. So I'm going to search in here for prompt coach. I can see a prompt coach has come up, gives me a bit of information about the agent. And then I could do reviews, permissions and things, but I'm going to press add. And that's going to add that into my agents list in the sidebar there. So I'm in work and I've selected prompt coach. It now opens this up for me. So I'm going to say, write a summary of the latest trends in digital marketing for a blog post. Now, I want maybe a better prompt for that. So I've said, can you help me refine this prompt, make it clearer and more specific? I want to ensure I get the most accurate and helpful response. So straight away, prompt coach has come back and said, okay, let me help you, but I need you to give me a little bit more information. And it's using what we call the GCSE method here. So it wants to know what the goal is, what the context is, what the source is, and what your expectations are of the output. So I'm going to say, well, I want readers to be excited to learn about the latest marketing trends and get new ideas. I want to target retailers in the UK at Easter to create awareness of new product lines. So again, it's come back and said, okay, that's great. What else? I want to include UK examples of marketing trends and sources, and the source might be from these two areas. I want the blog to be formatted in a fun way. I want it to include emojis and bullet points and include up-to-date language. So it's put together a prompt for me here. This is a prompt that I would then copy. It's split it into clear goal, context, source, and expectations from the information that I've given it. So I can copy this prompt now. I'll quickly copy that. I'll go into web because I want information from the web. I'm going to put my prompt in that I've just developed. You can see here, it's created me a nicely formatted blog post with great headers and bullet points and emojis that I asked for. Let's have a look what it says. So as we step into 2025, the digital marketing landscape is buzzing with innovative trends that are set to transform how retailers engage with customers. And then it's giving me a nice list of those trends and a indication of where I can go and find that information. So you see the little number ones next to it. If I click on that or the links at the bottom, it's going to take me to where it pulled this information from. So really quick way to get me started. It won't be perfect, but it might be 60-80% of the way there. It might give me some new ideas to think of. And it's going to really help me not have to start from a blank page.
Well, I hope you found that useful. And if you did, don't forget to check out our next tip. Until next time.
Welcome to the Copilot Cafe. Join Joe for a 10-minute stay. Learn